Christian.
Yeah.
Have you seen these yet?
I have not seen these yet.
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
I need these. I need these in my life.
Well, those are size 13, but if you want them, $600.
That's like 5 pairs of socks I have to wear with these.
Yeah, but I mean, sure, you have 5 pairs of socks.
I do, but people are gonna think I have like something else, like big socks.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is up? It is raining and it is windy and it is gross outside today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys are having a much better day than I'm having right now, getting soaked outside in Toronto. Quick little announcement. We're doing the only sale we will ever do in the history of mankind on the mystery boxes. Code Cyber Monday, link in the description at tomstefanik.com/shop. I'm literally not even making money off of these anymore. I'm just breaking even. If you guys wanted to try out the mystery box, now is the best time ever to do so. The city is just completely empty today. Absolutely completely empty. I mean, there is nothing happening. Everything is closed. Offices, malls, shops, stores. Nothing is happening. You mix that with the weather and it is a pretty dreary, depressing, and overall just unexciting day. Thankfully though, we have the power of video editing, and I'm going to take you back to yesterday, which was a much more fun, much more sunny. It was actually like really nice. It was like 50 degrees at the end of November in Canada, which is sort of amazing. Anyway, we're gonna go back to yesterday in the YouTube time machine and take a look at a really fun afternoon. Look at all these Nike Dunks. You work here, right?
Yeah.
Why are there so many Nike Dunks?
Yep. Got lots of shoes.
Give me the sales pitch.
Got plugs.
Bruh. This is the worst sales pitch ever. Richard, you need to fire this kid.
You're fired.
Tell me why I should buy these.
Because they're cool. And if people see you in these, they're gonna think you're cool.
What are these? You didn't even show me the product.
Platinum Dunks.
Sell me this shoe. Why do I need this? You are the worst sales associate ever.
Put me on the spot. It's a good quality shoe. They're hard to find.
Why do I need this though?
Because they're cool. Everyone's gonna see you in these and they're gonna turn around and gonna think you're cool.
No one's thinking I'm cool.
Everyone's thinking you're cool.
JJ is the worst sales associate I've ever seen in my life. Can you please comment down below that JJ should be fired? If this video hits 5,000 likes, Richard is going to terminate his employment contract, right?
Yes.
No, but in all seriousness, they do have like 1 million pairs of these white Dunks, which is super cool. Part of their Black Friday sale, and they're shipping out a bunch of stuff, and they have tons of cool shoes over here. I just enjoy looking at all of this stuff. This is really fun. They have so many Yeezys. They have, I wonder what these are. What are these? Tiny Jordan box. Oh, there's a very tiny grade school pair of Columbia 11s. Yes, I know they're also called Legend Blues, but they're also called Columbias. Sue me. Huh, I guess I'm just going to open every box that they have. What are these? Whoa!
Nice.
Holy
Nice.
hype.
I got the fire.
Why did they put the kid shoes in the regular box, but the adult shoes in the gray box?
In the gray Jordan box?
Yeah.
I don't know, honestly.
That's kind of, I would feel ripped off if I had small feet and then I didn't get the cool box. What the heck, Nike?
Here.
Christian, are you buying the
Buying, I just paid for them.
Already
They're bought.
copped.
Nice.
I copped them, bro.
Congratulations, sir.
Have you been tested?
I might be the only person to have these in hand today, besides, I mean, like the 1 million people that bought these. When did these come out? Like 2.5, getting close to maybe even 3 years ago? I remember when I camped out for these at Livestock in Winnipeg, and there was really little to no hype, and I think I ended up buying like 3 pairs of them. One for me, one for my friend, and I think a second one for me. And all of you guys were calling me idiots, being like, oh, that's such a waste of money. They're not selling for anything. And then I sold them for, you know, $200 or $300 over retail last year at some point. The price has really gone up on these, and now it's sort of gone back down on these a little bit because they are re-releasing. So the original pairs just did lose an amount of value, but at least in Toronto, these are not releasing anywhere in store. Everything is shut down. So I was very lucky to actually be able to get my hands on a pair of these, the Yeezy 500 Utility Blacks. Such a cool shoe if you ask me. These are one of my favorite Yeezy models. I actually only still have 3 pairs of Yeezys in my collection. I have 1 pair of Yeezy 380s, I have 1 pair of 350 V2s, which is the black with the red, like the hyper crimson stripe, and then I have the original Moon Landing or Moon Rock or whatever colorway. No, I think they're called the Desert Rat. They're called the Desert Rat, right? Yeezy comes up with the weirdest names. I don't know how I'm expected to keep track of 75 different weird names for Yeezys, but I think they're called the Desert Rats. Those are the only 3 pairs of Yeezys that I have in my entire collection, and I really honestly do regret getting rid of these. Even if I made $200 or $300 on these, I still would like to have these in my collection, and these unfortunately aren't my size. These are like a size 10.5, and those are not going to fit me at all. But I love this shoe so much. If you guys haven't picked these up already, get them right now. These are gonna go right back up in value again as soon as they sell out, and people are gonna want these because it's a wearable shoe, it's a comfortable shoe. This is something I prefer much more than a pair of 350 V2s. Like, I much prefer this model. I know some people think it's a chunky dad shoe. I know some people think it's an overrated model, but in this black colorway, it's a no-brainer. It just looks so nice and so clean, and you could wear it with literally anything. You could beat it up. It's not gonna look beat up because it's all black. And in my opinion, I know lots of people love the whole Boost thing, but in my opinion, and I'm gonna say this quietly so you guys don't get too mad at me, I think these are a little bit more comfortable than the Boost because they're not super squishy. It just feels like a regular shoe. I don't like the squishiness of the Boost. I might be the only person on earth to think that, but I do think that. Retail on these is $200, I believe, unless they jacked up the price again. I honestly don't know at this point, but it's good value for money either way. I definitely recommend picking these up. The resale prices are probably going to be at an all-time low right now. So that would be my advice. If you haven't got them already, and you can get them for around the $320, $330 that they're going for at the moment, just make sure to pick them up before they end up being $450 again, because I could definitely see that happening. I don't know, I think this is a really nice pair of shoes, and actually we're going to be including 1 pair of these in the December mystery boxes. That's right, quick little interruption to talk about the December mystery box. Link in the description. They're on sale for $49.99. We have these, we have Fire Red 4s, we have some of the most amazing Jordan 1s that go for thousands and thousands of dollars. I'm not going to tell you what those are yet. You need to click the link in the description to find out and go get yours for $49.99. We made them way more limited than the past few months, so they are going to sell out. We wanted to do something really special for Christmas or for Hanukkah or for just December in general. I don't really care what you celebrate, but just get one. $49.99, link in the description. I don't know. Do you guys like them? Are you guys gonna buy them? Did you guys buy them? I'm really trying to get a pair of size 12s. Unfortunately, I got a size 10.5 instead of size 12. I want those back in my life. After seeing them, I'm like, oh my goodness, why did I sell them? But, you know, what's done is done, and I made money off of them, and at the time, it probably made sense to sell them and not keep them, because I have so many shoes, as you guys know. But I know the reaction to these Yeezy restocks so soon after release. I mean, you can't even really call these restocks. They're a separate production run. It's almost like a retro or a re-release of these Yeezys. Lots of people are getting really upset by them. These institutional Yeezy resellers, the big time Yeezy resellers, are getting very upset because it's just knocking into all the value, and lots of people are being like, WTF Kanye, like, why are you doing this? And I do understand that. It would be frustrating to have an asset that all of a sudden drops 30% in value because all of a sudden there's a million new pairs of them. But I think personally, I'm always going to side with the consumer and the person that's trying to buy and enjoy the pair of shoes. So for me, it is pretty cool to actually see them restocking all of these classic Yeezy colorways that people really want. I don't have any Yeezys that I'm planning on reselling, so it really doesn't affect me at all. And these shoes that are very sought after and a little bit expensive, it makes it easier for people to get them, and I think that's a good thing. If you guys did end up getting a pair, let me know. How hard is it? Was it easy to get? Was it hard to get? I didn't even try on release day because I have zero luck on online releases, and as I said, nowhere in Toronto ended up getting them. But I think it is a very good shoe, and hopefully I can swap that size 10.5 for a size 12. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate every single one of you. If you guys could all do me a huge favor and hit that like button, it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. And if you're watching to this point in the video, make sure to comment watch till the end. All you guys that are part of the real family that support what we do, I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot to me. Like, it really does. It means a lot to me that you guys make what I'm able to do every single day possible, and I would like to thank you for that. So that being said, guys, have a great rest of your day. I'll get back to you tomorrow with a very exciting video. So until then, peace.